Hello, my name is Lauren Franklin. Today is January 20th, 2022. My future career goals are to become, or is to become an orthodontist eventually. I am attending the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill this coming August for my doctorate of dental surgery program. And that is obviously a 4 year course and hopefully then specialize in orthodontics, but we'll see when I get there. Um, I really believe that this human anatomy class is going to help me in my study of dentistry because dentistry has a very intricate applications, especially with the head, neck, jaw. There is obviously a lot of innervation in the teeth and jaw areas, and the practice of dentistry requires very acute awareness to where all these nerves, bones, muscles are in order for us to, one, treat patients who might be in pain, and two, to perform procedures that don't cause a lot of pain. At the moment, I have not taken human anatomy before. I have taken physiology and I loved physiology. I loved learning about the processes of the body and why and how stuff works. But now I'm excited to know, okay, what are the structures behind that? When I'm in a class in dental school and I'm doing dissections, I can know what I'm looking at. And it would make more sense as to maybe why I can't move my hand pieces there, or why I can only inject so deep here, or why I have to inject a Novocaine here. um, a lot of this I'm sure I'll learn as I go, but I think it's going to be very helpful and I'm very excited. I'm also very grateful, that this class is self-paced because since I am in Barcelona right now, studying as a au pair, or not studying as a au pair, but working as a au pair, there's a 6 hour time difference for me and for everybody else. So this is really helpful and I'm excited. So nice to meet you. Thank you.